Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Susana and today we are going to learn how to create our own QR code so we can use it on our thank you cards. So let's begin. So I already have my business information on this card. I'm going to be placing the QR code on the back of the card. So let's grab the URL that we are going to be using. In this case, I'm going to be using the URL from my website. So let's copy. Let's go to the left-hand side, scroll all the way towards the bottom, click on More, click on QR code, enter the URL here, and click Generate Code. There we have it. Let me get rid of that square. And there we go. If you do not have a website, that is not a problem. Just grab the URL from your Facebook account, Instagram, or if you have an Etsy shop, just grab that URL and paste it in here on this text box so you can generate your QR code and use it on your thank you card. If you guys have any questions, please let me know down in the description. I'll go ahead and reply to those questions as soon as I can. Don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.